Hi guys, welcome to CryptoHood. In this video, we'll be talking about a Maston Lab, which is popularly known as the Facebook coin or Meta coin. Well, this is because most of the founders and developer actually worked for Facebook during the Libra token time. So since the Libra token wasn't able to go live because of some issues, most of the developers decided to create their own blockchain, which is now the Swiss blockchain. So in today's video, I will be explaining what the Swiss blockchain is all about, why I think it's a very special technology, and why I think this project will be doing very well in the next bull market. The Swiss blockchain is a decentralized proof of stake blockchain with horizontal scalability, throughput, and storage. This blockchain has unlimited scalability and unlimited storage. Why I think the Swiss blockchain is very special compared to traditional blockchain is because in traditional blockchain, different kind of transaction are dealt similarly. Let's take, for example, you want to mint an NFT and someone else is trying to send an asset to someone else. These two different kind of transaction are treated similarly in the traditional blockchain, but they are not similar. So, and they are treated vertically to each other. So if network activities is very high at a particular period of time, some of this transaction will be moved to the next block. This make the traditional blockchain very slow and not very good for maybe the gaming industry. It's not very fast. That's why this Swiss blockchain is very different. In the Swiss blockchain, different kind of transaction are arranged and are treated parallel to each other. So let's take, for example, also, you are trying to mint an NFT and someone else is trying to send an asset to someone else in the Swiss blockchain. The NFTs are arranged parallel to their assets. So these two transactions can be done similar time, the same time, parallel to each other. This makes the Swiss blockchain very, very fast and scalable. Basically, what the Swiss blockchain is trying to do is just to bring the speed of Web 2 into Web 3. So like the blockchain should be very fast, like you're just trying to access the internet, send some email. So they're just trying to bring Web 2 to Web 3. And something else about the Swiss blockchain is they're not trying to limit that TPS, saying they have 1,000 TPS, just like or 7,000 TPS, just like Matic. No, they have unlimited scalability. Like this project, it depends on the amount of people using the project at this particular time. The project's scale, the blockchain scales by itself. And something else I like about on the Swiss blockchain is what we call the CAP protocol. In traditional blockchain, when you lose, let's say you lose your private key and you lose your phone, that's all. If you don't have your private key, you can't access your wallet, and that's all. But the good thing about the CAP protocol is, let's take for instance, you lose your private key and you lose your phone. You can try to challenge the blockchain that, oh, this is my wallet. I want to recover my private key. Just the same way if you're trying to, or maybe you lost your password when you're trying to log into your Google account, you can go to Google and say, oh, please recover my password. And they could recover your password if you prove you are the owner of this account. But in the Swiss blockchain, using the CAP protocol, you're going to be doing this on the blockchain, and they're going to just give you like time, maybe within 1 month or particular kind of time, just to prove you are the owner of this wallet. I think, and this is a very great technology, and it's a game changer in the crypto market. This is a first of its kind. So let's just go and look at the developers and founders and just see the background. These are the developers. This is Evan Chan, the CEO, Adeniyi Abiodun, the CPO, and Sam Blockshell, the CTO. Let's just look about the CTO. So this is Evan Chen, the CEO of Mr. Lab. We can see, yes, currently, so he's the co-founder and CEO of Mr. Lab, and formerly worked as a director of R&D, Nova Finance, also a director of engineering, programming language, and runtime with Facebook. Wow, that's grand. For 2 years and 8 months, and also worked for Apple. Wow, for over 8 years and 3 months. So I can say this CEO is very qualified. And let's just check about the CTO also. So here's the CTO, that's Sam Blockshell. So he's the co-founder and CTO of Mr. Lab. He works as a principal engineer for Novin Finance for 3 years also, and the staff engineer for Facebook for 2 years and 8 months, and also a researcher assistant for this university, and also work for Microsoft for just 3 months. So that's grand. We can see the founders and developer are actually very qualified. They work in one of the biggest industry in Web 2, like our biggest industries ever, like Apple's and Facebook. So let's just say about projects Suze has been partnering with. We can see they've been partnering with Azila, Crimea, Ethos, Gago Studio, Gameplay Galaxy, Lucky Cat Studio, wow, Ocean Deck, Sprite. They've been partnering with different projects even now that mainnet has not gone live. We know once that mainnet goes live, they will be partnering with even more projects, and many projects are already ready to work with them already. So that's grand. And let's just see how we can partake or get this token. Let's look about the different sales. This is the Series A sales where they raised about $36 million with A16Z being among the venture capital that invested in them. And that Series B sale just happened a few weeks ago, which they raised over $300 million around September 9th, which big companies like FTS Ventures, Coinbase, wow, Jump Crypto, A16Z, and Seco Ventures invested in this project. So I think the big crypto companies are investing in this project, so they're betting on this project that this project is going to do well. I also personally think this project is going to do well, but currently they don't have an ICO, so we just try to check on the dates. So let's go to the roadmap. We can see they finished the DevNet, so now you can write and text on the smart contract. And currently that testnet is live, so they're trying to do that testnet, and the mainnet should be going live around the end of this year. And on ICO drop, this project is rated very highly by ICO drop, and the risk is normal and the real it's very high. So the start date for token sale is not yet out, so not yet. Once there is an ICO sale which we can invest in, I'm going to make a video about that also. And the maximum amount of token that will be released is 10 billion token. So guys, that's basically all my review about this token. But just know, I am not a financial advisor. Everything I say on this video is just for education purpose. Thanks guys, and if today is your first day watching my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.